Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can make or create a table in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Start by navigating to your spreadsheet, right? I will go with this one here. There are two ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one, you navigate to Insert, click into Pre-built Tables, and after that you will see a list of customizable table templates here on the right hand side. So we're not going to do this because we're going to convert that data here into a table, guys. So what you want to do is highlight this set of data, right? And then click into Format and then select Convert to Table, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-T or Command-Alt-T if you're using a Mac. That is going to create a table. So what you want to do after that, guys, is click into the drop-down menu. From here, you may rename the table, adjust the table range, right? So for example, I would like to expand that to, let's say, C9 instead of B9. And here we're going to, we can leave it like that. Click into OK. And as you can see, another column has been added to the table. And you can customize your table more by changing the header color, the table formatting, delete the table, and then also customize these rows and columns by clicking into the uppermost cell, for example, and then choose a sorting, a filter, group by column, insert a column, delete a column, and so on and so forth. Do the same with the next column. If you'd like to change the content of the given cell, double click into it and type in the word or enter the value. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.